Beyond, we are first. One.
Collaboration po siya ng Filipino and Dubai. Custom made po siya by our stylist, which is Miss Bea Guerrero, nasa likod po.
Each and every member would have a say in that, so I'll quickly start it. For me, I would always have to go back to the roots of first one, which is being familial. You know, we always go back to the roots of family, kapamilya, kapatid. Kasi po, first one is going into its 6th year, this July 31, and we've been through ups and downs. Pero for me, the thing that united us the most and bumuhay sa amin instead of disbanding is that we treated each other as family po talaga. So yun yung gusto namin ipakita sa stage. Kumbaga, not just as performers, pero how we're united as brothers and family on stage.